Okay, we're gonna scope out our new build. So our new build is gonna be a enclosed blind, tower blind. So we're gonna use some pallet stuff in it. The tower is gonna be built of dimensional lumber because, well, I don't want to die itself at the top. We're gonna make that out of pellets and stuff. The platform will be pallets too. The tower has to be a fairly stable piece, so we're going to go in there and do some measuring and some clearing. What we'll do is we'll build the tower pieces, a couple tower pieces, and we'll build them out on the grass over there, and then we'll carry them in to here. There's no flat area here
to work in. No, there isn't. No. Isn't that true? Yeah. And a clip. See this clip?
Oh, you know what that is?
That's for electric fence to keep the cattle from somewhere, I guess.
And then a garbage chain on here.
Oh, an disposable one.
Yeah, when you're cutting brush, you always put a shitty chain on because you're going to hit the ground quite often.
So define a crappy chain.
Well, 4 hours.
Oh, okay. Is it make it a little slacker too?
Yeah, well, when you got the saw on the side and you're just cutting brush with it, it's easy to pop that chain off. It's a little bit loose. It's pretty hard on the chain to do this.
What was that thing that you used on Steve's chainsaws to sharpen it? What did you call that thing?
Well, it's just a chain sharpener, but it's got a, see, if I sharpen my chain, I have to do it like this. With this, and then they take the rakers down, you put that across, and it takes the rakers down. These are the rakers. That's the cutting piece, raker. That determines the depth of the cut, right? Now on Steve's, he's hit a still combination, and it sharpens the blade and cuts the raker at the same time.
Right, and what is that thing called?
Well, it's just a chain sharpener.
Oh, okay. And you can buy those all in one combination. Can you get one for this pool line?
Well, I think what you got to do is you got to get it for the chain size. You know, every chainsaw's got a different chain size.
And what's yours?
The bigger that is,
Well, you got 3 chainsaws, so which one would you?
Well, I think it's a 5/32nd, I think what this is.
And that's the one you'd want.
Yeah. I'd have to have a look at it, but I think it's 5/32nd
Mm-hmm.
is what it is. That's the size you need to sharpen this chain.
Right.
You know, I think he had a bigger one. No, I don't. I'm pretty sure that steel sharpener, or combination sharpener, would work on other chainsaws as long as you got the right size.
That's
file.
something you can look into.
Yeah. Take this with us this time. Well, the top is going to be, I think the top is going to be 40 by 48. So I would think if we get I want to come out at least 5 feet on both legs, like spread them 5 feet so you've got a good foundation. So I think I'm going to put the back legs maybe here. And the front legs be about here. See, that should give us a nice stable platform. And there'll be 48 by 40 up top. Basically the length size of one of them pallets. That's going to be the footprint up top.
Okay.
That's perfect. 48 inches. We're going to use this ladder here as the ladder to the back.
Okay.
Poplar for the tower posts. But we just don't have a lot of good straight trees that I feel comfortable using.
Yeah, they all kind of lean over a little. No, what I meant was this platform I'm in right now. Are you going to reuse, other than the ladder, are you going to reuse the rest of this?
Yeah, well, the platform, we're going to use that platform as well.
Okay.
Like I'm going to put it at the back, or this side here, and that's how we'll get up to the stand.
Oh, okay.
Right?
So, is this stand going to be big enough for 2 people or just one?
No, it's just a one-person stand.
Okay. Ooh, there's some russets in there. Or reds in there anyway. Yep. Look at that. Oh, those are beautiful. That's what we're looking for.